Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Ghost for Stripe subscriptions, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Ghost admin panel. Navigate to the integrations section in the settings. Click on the Stripe option to access the Stripe integration settings. If you haven't already, create a Stripe account and log in. Return to your Ghost admin panel and enter your Stripe API keys. You can find these keys in your Stripe dashboard under the Developers section. Copy the publishable key and paste it into the appropriate field in Ghost. Next, copy the secret key from Stripe and place it in the designated area in Ghost. Make sure to save your changes in the Ghost settings. Now, go back to your Stripe account. You will need to set up webhooks for your subscription events. In your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Developers section and select Webhooks. Click on the Add Endpoint button to create a new webhook. In the URL field, enter your Ghost webhook URL, which can be found in the Ghost settings. Select the events you want to listen to, such as checkout.session.completed and customer.subscription.updated. Go back to the Ghost admin panel and set up your subscription plans. Fill in the required details for each plan, including the name, price, and billing interval. Once the plans are set up, publish them so they are visible to your audience. To test the integration, create a test subscription using a test card provided by Stripe. Monitor both your Ghost and Stripe dashboards to ensure the subscription processes properly. Check if the corresponding user data appears in your Ghost admin panel. If everything works as expected, you have successfully authenticated Ghost with Stripe for subscriptions. Congratulations on completing the integration process. Now you can start managing subscriptions through Ghost seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.